Welcome to our guide on maintaining clear and healthy skin. In this video, we'll explore essential tips and practices to help you achieve radiant skin from the comfort of your own home. Step 1. Cleanse. Begin your skincare routine by washing your face with a gentle cleanser suitable for your skin type. This helps remove dirt, oil, and impurities, preventing clogged pores and breakouts. Step 2. Hydrate. Hydration is crucial for maintaining skin health. After cleansing, apply a moisturizer to nourish and protect your skin barrier. Look for lightweight formulas that won't clog pores. Step 3. Protect. Shield your skin from harmful UV rays by applying sunscreen daily, even on cloudy days. Opt for a broad-spectrum sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher to prevent premature aging and sun damage. Step 4. Nourish from within. A healthy diet plays a significant role in skin health. Incorporate fruits, vegetables, and foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids to promote clear and glowing skin. Step 5. Listen to your skin. Pay attention to how your skin responds to different products and adjust your routine accordingly. If you experience irritation or breakouts, switch to gentler alternatives. Consistency is key when it comes to skincare. Establish a daily routine and stick to it to see the best results. Remember, clear and healthy skin is achievable with the right practices and habits. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more skincare tips and tricks. Until next time, take care and keep glowing.